Hold on, baby. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we're using power bait garlic scent. This is what it looks like. These are like little fish eggs, kind of, salmon eggs. White and fluorescent orange, and I just can't keep the fish off of my line. Let me show you how it works. I've got the Eagle Claw Trail Master. It's like 60 bucks, and I've got the Fluger Presidential Reel right here, 40 bucks. Now, every single cast I've done has at least gotten a strike. Oh!
Oh, that was close.
I see him jumping down there. Oh, we got a little guy trying on it. I don't want the little guy. I want the big guy. Okay, let me try it back up here for the big guy.
That's it.
I've got
I feel
a big
it.
guy hiding in here.
I feel it.
See, they're jumping down there.
We should make our way down there.
Ooh, he's biting.
He knows now. He knows.
Oh, he's on.
Ah! Oh my
Yeah.
god. That was crazy. What the heck?
I crimped the
Oh, that's cool.
burr on my hook, so I'm trying to be nice to these little fish, and sometimes they get off. So. Okay, that's my winning combo right there.
Double orange.
Oh, there it is.
That had to be number 10?
Yeah, I think it's number 10 this morning.
10 in an hour. Not bad. Oh my god.
Oh, this is a big one.
Oh my god.
It's a big one. Oh, he's all right. He's all right.
He's just a fighter.
He's a fighter. He's all right.
Yeah, he's a good size. Look how pretty he is.
That's not bad.
Oh, he's so pretty.
I'm telling you, it's a rainbow trout. I don't know if you could pick up the rainbow line down the center here,
Yeah.
but they are beautiful, beautiful fish. Let me try and get one more while we still got the film going.
We've got time, babe.
Okay, didn't even have to touch him.
See you never.
This is my last power bait,
Oh, still got the bait on.
power bait eggs, and I'm hoping I catch one more on. This stuff is good.
Some good fishing. What did he say, babe? The river's running good.
Yeah, it's running good today.
Running good today.
That was a good one. Try and catch
We're gonna
one.
need some hot drinks.
Catch one of his brothers down the stream here.
Come on, brother. Or mama.
Yeah, big mama. That's what I want.
All right.
Oh, he's a little
Okay.
guy. Little guy. I don't want the little ones, but we'll take them. This has to be number 12, number 11 or 12, something like that.
Oh my God.
Now, I want that bait, little guy. Oh, he's getting all hung up here.
Yeah.
Hang on, hang on. Right cheek.
Woohoo. Swim, swim, swim. Oh, he's quick.
Yeah. Okay, I still have my last power bait, and I'm gonna make it count. I'm getting the big guy.
I can't believe we've gone
It's
through
so
all of
beat
that.
up. I've restrung the same power bait 10 times already. I've caught, how many fish on this one? 3?
11.
Well, just on this power bait
Oh,
alone.
yeah.
3 or 4.
3 or 4. Babe, we're losing count. That's great.
Okay, that's my power bait. It's been beat up and chomped a million times, but it's my last one, so I'm making it count. Look at this. Oops. Oh no, we got a knot tied. We got a knot tied in our string. Damn it. Oh well.
Oh well.
So many fish have bit it. There's little knots in the line. We're gonna make it work.
Do it.
Let me go right across the stream there. I think that's where we're hanging out. Oops. Shoot, that'll work. We'll see if that works. Oop, I'm getting a strike.
All right.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
That was close. Oh!
Oh.
Well, that did it. That's the end of our line right there. He took the hook with him.
Damn.
Okay.
Good, baby.
Yeah, good.